Los Angeles. A suspect mistakenly released from a Los Angeles County jail, where he was being held on suspicion of shooting Lady Gaga's dog Walker and stealing her French bulldogs, has been recaptured, authorities said. James Howard Jackson, 19, was arrested Wednesday nearly 5 months after he was released from jail while awaiting trial due to a clerical error, the county sheriff's department said in a statement. Jalen Keyshawn White, 20, was immediately sentenced to 4 years in state prison, Deputy District Attorney Michelle Hennessy told NBC4. Fisher was with the pop star's 3 dogs named Asia, Koji, and Gustav. During a violent struggle, Fisher was hit, choked and then shot in an attack captured by the doorbell camera of a nearby home. The video captured Fisher screaming, "Oh, my God! I've been shot, and help me, and I'm bleeding out from my chest." Fisher lost part of a lung. The pop star's dogs were returned 2 days later by a woman who claimed she had found them tied to a pole and asked about Lady Gaga's offer of a $500,000 reward if the dogs were returned, no questions asked. The singer was in Rome at the time filming a movie. The woman was charged with receiving stolen property, and the father of another suspect is charged with helping him avoid arrest. Jackson already had been charged in the attack and had pleaded not guilty when the county district attorney's office filed a superseding indictment that charged him with attempted murder, conspiracy to commit a robbery and assault with a semi-automatic firearm.